Hello guys and hope doing well. This is my project to make USB enough voltage with Zener diode without any regulated transistor, and this is my output. You can see 5.2 volt and the current is 192 milliampere, like 200 milliampere, and this is my watch under charging, and you can see the battery indicator is trying to charge. So this is the schematic I find over internet, but I did not use the bridge rectifier here because of I'm using the 9-volt battery, and you can see this is my battery and this is my diode. When you're going to buy diode, you need this Zener one, as it's much better to buy the 1.3 watt, because of the below than 1.3 watt are glass type diodes, and the 6.2 volt is good enough for this. I take it from Conrad shop in Vienna, and the 5 piece for $1, and the diodes come like this. And I use one normal NPN transistor and two 104 capacitors, one before transistor and one after transistor, and 470 microfarad for electrolytic one as input voltage, and you can see I have 0.22 ohm resistor, and this is the output of the project, and this is the resistor I'm using, R22 5%. So one more time we are going to check. This is the output, one connected to the charger socket and the other one connected to the current meter, is a proskit one, and the output is connected to this 22,000 counts through RMS multimeter. The diode will reduce the voltage to the 6.2, and the resistor will make balance for the voltage, and finally the transistor with this 104 100 nano capacitor will make enough voltage for this project. This project is not good to charge iPhone, because of the iPhone need at least 400 milliampere, and this project is good at maximum 200 milliampere. The diodes maximum can serve 200 milliamps, and without NPN transistor at maximum 50 milliamp. And be careful, if going diodes too hot you are not able to use anymore, because of the when the diode is going too hot, it will not serve the exact voltage, and you are not able to use it anymore. And I'm sure that over the diode we are able to make voltage maximum 200 milliamps. So I add one diode to know exactly the voltage is coming, and you can see when I'm connecting the project to the bigger mobile phone, it's not working. The reason is this mobile phone need at least 350 milliamps and is not comfortable for this project. But as you check, this is very good for the mobile watch, and the mobile watch 200 milliamps is good enough to start charging. One more time, I connected to the watch the project. You can see it's going to charge, and my meter also start the charging. Thanks for watching, and thank you.